Welcome to no-nonsense-booking.com. In this video, I will show you how you can very easily set country-specific rates for your property on booking.com. First, you need to log into booking.com extranet, which is admin.booking.com. And once you're logged in, the screen will look like this. And after that, you need to click on rates and availability option here in the top, and then click on country rates. And that will land you on a page like this. And you will notice as you scroll down, it will give you stats of where your guests are coming. For example, for this property, I have 69% of the bookings coming from domestic guests and 9% from United States, and so on and so forth. Now, if I want to offer a discount for, let's say, domestic, I will click on this checkbox here, and up there you can see this is the discount I am going to offer. So let's say if I want to offer 10% discount to everyone who's booking my property from the same region, they will get 10% discount. But always keep this in mind, these discounts and rates you set here, they always stack up, and they have clearly defined this adds on to Genius discount, basic deal, last minute, and so on and so forth. But it doesn't stack up on mobile rates and limited time deals. And you can choose multiple countries if you want to apply the same rates on all those countries. And once you're done, click on this review option here at the bottom, and the next pop-up will show you exactly what kind of rate and discount you're offering for these countries. And all you need to do is click on activate, and that will straight away apply that discount in those specific countries. It's super easy once you know where to go, and I really hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel for more booking.com hosting related videos. Until next time, bye bye.